Morning, guys. What a wonderful weather it is. That's just saying to stay at your home, work from home, do everything at home. Yeah, that's what the weather's saying there, honestly. You know, make a nice cup of cocoa or cocoa. I haven't seen Coco Roma in a while. I haven't seen that. That's a drink in a little container about that size. Or they probably have the bigger version. And some bakes, whether it's codfish or corned beef. Something like that would come in handy at this time. Or a nice porridge, a cornmeal, some oats, something warm. This type of weather, they don't call for any cold drinks. Although if I know some of my children, it could be freezing, but they still want their cold juice. But that's children for you. As we speak about children, guys, well, unfortunately, I cannot display what was sent to me. But parents, like myself, we have shied away from the conversation, and as a result, children are going about doing their own experiments. Because even if we don't have the conversation with them, they're gonna see it free on the internet, absolutely free. They have their devices, they're gonna see, and they're gonna try to practice what they are seeing freely on the devices. That's a very deep conversation. Probably it's a conversation beyond my head, but I too as a parent is very, very concerned. That's why you're not having those conversations there too early. Yeah? You're breaking it in. So from 0 to 5, you say certain things, what is appropriate, what is inappropriate, and you're building up, you're going up. By 10, 12, 13, you should be having real conversations with your sons and daughters. The implications of certain things. It shouldn't be something we are ashamed to talk about with our children, because they will find out, and they are finding out, and they are finding out and experimenting as we saw. And this thing, young people, I'm not saying they were not happening in my era or our time. Right now, everything is recorded, and those videographic evidence, they are there forever in the cyber world. They don't go away. So, parents, we have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do. We have to maybe be a bit more open with the children. As they're growing up, you're being real with them. Let them come and talk to you openly. I know it might be expo mal papai, because our parents may not have spoken to our grandparents, and the cycle continues. But we have to break the cycle and just be able to talk freely with our children, because they are seeing the things for free. They're seeing it. And back in the days, you'd play Bebel, mother and father. There was no actual, it's just a make-believe kind of business. Bebel days. I was a Bebel specialist, yeah. But right now, it's not Bebel anymore. It's real people business. I think you see it on movie. And they can have long-lasting implications, young people. One recording, just like that, can reach millions of persons or millions of people out there, just like that. And then your image is out there, and your parents is ashamed. Your school is feeling humiliated. So it's just a whole big rippling effect. So parents, we have to devise some mechanism. We have to bridge the gap and be able to speak freely with our children. As I said, it will be easy for me to come here and say do it. Actually doing it might be the bigger challenge. But we have to make I would say a point of duty to make the effort and to make a better and a greater effort. Alright guys, we will speak further on that, but I just felt, I would just glaze the topic. One Love Dominica, the weather, well, it's starting to ease up a bit. We hope it doesn't rain too heavily throughout the day. Although the utility companies like Domlec would welcome the rain. The farmers are welcoming the rain as well. So One Love Dominica, it's your boy. Have a blessed and productive day.